Good morning and welcome to MBA batch of Luth Mata Institute of Management Studies, LIMS Business News. Let's get the news rolling with the top 6 business news.
Uber's food delivery business outshines car rider service. Uber's food delivery business brought in more money during the third quarter than its signature rides business, showing just how much consumer behavior has changed and how far the company has adapted since the pandemic struck. The San Francisco-based ride-hailing company cost $1.09 billion in the 3 months that ended September 30, as many customers were still staying out of shared vehicles. Uber's food delivery business also brought in more revenue than its rides business in the second quarter when demand for rides was even lower due to the pandemic. However, its rides business was more profitable.
This is Akshay. Today's news. HUL launches brand to give a natural spin to home care. Hindustan Unilever HUL has launched a new brand called Nature Protect. Its fourth label in the natural of herbal portfolio targeting home care. The firm already has products under beauty, skin and hair care brands. Analysts say that HUL is filling white spaces, tapping areas where there is major consumer momentum. Hygiene has grown exponentially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Nature Protect is an answer to the need for good household products that are sustainable at the same time, said Kaushab Bhaskar, Associate Vice President, Research at Brokerage Sharekhan.
I am Mohammad Singh presenting today's news. Royal Enfield revs up its global plans. Eicher Motors Limited, the owner of Royal Enfield brand of mid-sized motorcycles, planned to further expand its international business to drive sales and diversify from its home market, where it is facing growing competition from Honda Motor Company and Java Motorcycles among others. While admitting that establishing the brand in foreign markets could be a long haul, Siddharth Lal, managing director Eicher Motors, said the company has already initiated the initial steps in this direction. They are either commuter bikes 100cc to 150cc or they are heavyweight and expensive leisure motorcycles. The middleweight category was ignored by lots of manufacturers. Royal Enfield plans to capitalize on new launches such as Meteor 350, a 349cc cruiser motorcycle, to lead growth in the export market with plans to launch one new motorcycle every quarter. The Meteor 350, which is expected to replace the popular Thunderbird model, went on sale Friday and it will be sold in 3 variants in the price range of 1.75 lakh to 1.9 lakh.
Hey, this is Aditya from Group 3 to present today's news. Domestic auto major Mahindra & Mahindra on Saturday said 500 units of its all-new Thar SUV are scheduled to be delivered between November 7th and November 8th to mark the onset of Diwali festivals. The deliveries are based on the sequence of bookings received for the variants of Thar that are available, Mahindra & Mahindra Limited said in a release. The city-headquartered automobile manufacturer has already delivered the first unit of the latest version of its iconic SUV to the customer who placed the highest bid during an auction process for the maiden unit in September. Mahindra & Mahindra is conducting a mega delivery of 500 all-new Thars across the country between November 7th and November 8th. This marks the onset of auspicious Diwali festivals. The company said, "We are delighted to mark the onset of Diwali festivals by delivering 500 all-new Thars across the country. As we kickstart our deliveries, I would like to assure our customers of a timely and seamless process going forward," said Vijay Nakra, CEO, Automotive Division, Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. The new version of Thar was launched on October 2nd in 2 trims, AX and LX, with both petrol and diesel powertrain options and is priced between 9.8 lakhs and 13.75 lakhs ex-showroom. The company had planned for a capacity of about 2,000 vehicles per month and is now getting ready to ramp it up to 3,000 by January, after receiving an overwhelming response from across the country as per the release. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Veena PR from Group 2. Today's headlines: Galaxy Card secures seed funding from prominent angel investors, bolsters customer outreach and expansion plans. Galaxy Card, India's fastest lending solutions offering instantly approved credit cards, has recently raised an undisclosed amount of funding from prominent seed investors Gopinath Latpat, Samyukt Capital, and other angels from Eagle Wings Venture Alliance Network. They are focusing on making credit cards available to customers with an income of less than 30,000 per month and help them become self-reliant when it comes to taking credit cards, says Amit Kumar, the founder of Galaxy Card. Vision of Galaxy Card and their approach to tech-enabled lending is a key differentiator. Their focus, grit, and execution provides a huge potential to become the credit card for Bharat, said Gopinath Latpat, one of the key investors in Galaxy Card. That's all in today's news. Thank you.
I'm Ajish from Group 1. Tesla Incorporation on Thursday launched its own brand of tequila on the electric car maker's website, making good on a promise by CEO Elon Musk with a $250 per bottle experience that was unavailable within hours of product's liftoff. Pictures of Tesla tequila on the website revealed a sleek, lightning shaped bottle, a bit different from what Musk had once touted. The product was quickly listed out as out of stock. Tesla is now a certified brand of tequila under the strict regulations regarding our national drink, the council said in a statement, saying it would be made by Destilada del Valle de Tequila, a major producer of tequilas and other spirits. According to Tesla's website, the new alcoholic venture will be available only in selected US states, including New York, California, and Washington. Thank you.